Okay, hey guys, let's start it with this way back when Easter bun. So to this container is all my wet ingredients. In here I had a I have a cup of 1.5 cup of warm water, which I added a pack of dry yeast to. I also add in here my cherry, my mixed peel, my raisins, half a stick of butter, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, half a tablespoon of almond extract, and I also added 1 tablespoon of my browning and a tablespoon of the molasses. Okay, so that's the wet ingredient. This is my flour mixture. So to this flour mixture I added 3 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, I had a teaspoon of nutmeg, a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon baking powder, and I have cake spice that I added a teaspoon of, and combine all of this together. So now I'm going to add my dry ingredient to my wet ingredient, and I'm going to be using a whisk. But before I do that, to this I'm going to add 1 beaten egg, can sift my flour, and I'm going to do it a small amount at a time so I could combine it. And you're going to use your whisk. You want to make sure that you're getting all the flour mixed out properly. So again, I'm going to add a little bit more, and then I'm going to whisk it a little bit. Beautiful golden brown color. Oh my goodness. I wish you guys could smell this, how it smells so good. You guys want to make sure that you get every single last bit of that flour, because the last thing you want is to cut your bun and you have raw flour in your bun. So you want to make sure you're combining this properly. So this is the consistency you need to have once you're finished mixing. Okay, it's not supposed to be thick, it's not supposed to be soupy, but this is the perfect consistency. Okay, so that's ready. Okay, set this aside. So this batter is going to make me a 9-inch loaf pan. Okay, so I am going to spray it non-stick. Spray it with my non-stick spray. Okay. paper towel so I can get into the corners. my non-stick spray. So now I am going to add my bun mixture. And then I'm going to pop this in the oven. So it doesn't get burned. So on top, this is where the way back when comes in. On top, I'm going to be adding pieces of cherry that I cut in half. And again, you could add any amount you want to. This is to your liking, your taste. You could add more, you could add less. It's up to you. Okay? I'm giving you the ingredients. Just make it your own. For me, I like a lot of cherries on mine, because I want every single bite of that cake, of that bun. I'm sorry. Cake is on my mind. Every single bite of that Easter bun, I want to taste the cherry. The mixed peel, not so much, but the cherries, oh yeah. So again, you could add as much as you want, as little as you want. Make it your own. Okay? So now, I think I have enough. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my pan and I'm going to... And what that does is, any air pockets that's in, it's going to take it right out. Okay? So guys, I'm going to pop this in the oven, and it's going to go in the oven at 300 degrees and for about 45 minutes. Once it's done, I'll take it out. I'll insert a knife or a toothpick to make sure that it's thoroughly baked. After about 25 minutes, I am going to lower my oven to 275 so we can, you know, soak slowly and not burn. I will come right back and I'll show you guys what it looks like. See you soon. Hi guys, welcome back. So it's been about an hour and a half since I take the bun out of the oven and let it sit and let it cool. As you can see, I have 2 slices already waiting for me to dig in. Again, it came out really nice and moist. In the description box, guys, I am going to be putting the ingredients that I use to make this way back when Easter bun. And I would like for you guys to try it. If you do try it, please in the comment section let me know how it came out. Also, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe, and most important, please don't forget to hit that notification bell. I have lots and lots of videos coming up for you guys, so you want to be notified when I post those videos. Again, let me know if you like the bun, how it came out for you. Follow my ingredients step by step, and trust me, you can't go wrong. And guys, I will talk to you in the next video, because guess what, I cannot wait to dig in. into that bun and cheese that's sitting on that plate waiting for me to eat it. It smelled so good. I wish you guys could smell it. Anyways, take care guys. See you soon.